Got the Crosman 150 back out again. I fixed it. I put a new kit in there. I know you guys probably don't care too much about me shooting BB guns, but sometimes I just like to plink without making all the noise. So we got this thing fixed. I put a new kit in there. It came with all the gaskets. I stripped the whole thing down. I didn't want to make a video because I figured it would be quite boring. So we went ahead and just did it myself. So we're going to shoot the same BBs as I shot last time. Let's see if we can start off something not as dramatic. Let's see if we can go through some sheetrock. Oh, I gotta charge it first. Okay. I see it sticking out. I think what I have to do is I have to turn up the volume, which means I gotta turn this bad boy here until it clicks to get full power. You turn it, you turn it, turn it, keep going. You should hear an audible click when it's at high power. There we go. So it's on high power right now. So let's try again. Gotta cock the thing. Oh yeah, that was a lot better. Look at that. It's just sticking right in. Definitely use that again. But it did go right through the sheetrock right here. And pretty cool. Kind of like a 22 in a way. Well, it is a 22 caliber. Duh. Let's see if we could hit that can of seltzer and get it to explode. There we go. We're gonna go lower and with one of the big bombers. That was much better. Take one of these big red bombers again. All right, here we go. Okay. Yeah. You know, it actually made a pretty, it actually made a little crack right here. All right, let's try it again. All right. And then we're gonna do with the this little ballistic tip one. Okay. Wow. That's amazing. I hit it in the same exact spot twice. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. Wow. Okay. Let's try one more. Not one more, let's try the big one. The big bomber. Okay. I saw where that one went, so I could salvage it. It's a cool thing about shooting pellets. You can salvage these things again once you... All right, let's try the BB tip one. Okay. Hear that? So, they went in, and there's a hole there, there's a hole there, and there's a hole there. See if we could really demolish this can. We're gonna go for it with a rocket. That's what I'm talking about. Last but not least, we're gonna go for that propane can. Now, I'm gonna back up a little bit. I don't think this thing is going to penetrate the propane can, but we sure try it. We're gonna start with one of these and then work our way down. I got it. And it actually went through. So never underestimate pellets. They can be deadly. Let's hit it again. Okay. There's another one. Straight to the dome piece. You can hear it hissing. Here's the propane. Still leaking out. Right think it's just coming from down here. Oop. So it's just a little hole. So it didn't go all the way in, but there's a little hole. Oop. I need to get away from this stupid thing before it explodes. One more time with the big one. Now it's real pissing out. Last one, then we'll call it a day. There we go. Just look at that. It's wedged in the wood. That is wild. Holy cow, that's so cool. So, that's it for the propane. Whoa. That's so cool.